In 2007, Washington declared the Walla Walla sweet onion its official state vegetable. This is high praise, considering we produce over 300 different agricultural commodities, and most people around the country recognize us as the apple state. Walla Walla sweet onions are prized for their low sulfur content and crispy texture compared to other varieties. All onions are naturally low in calories and fat, but full of savory flavor, which is why they're included in countless recipes. This crunchy vegetable is also a versatile ingredient, as it can be baked, sautéed, fried, grilled, or even eaten raw. But you might be more curious about that unfortunate, pungent odor you encounter when chopping one up. It's actually a defense mechanism that occurs when the onion cells are broken when it's sliced or bitten into, releasing an enzyme that breaks down sulfoxides into a compound that irritates our tear ducts. While an online search will result in many suggestions for reducing this tearful effect, the most practical solution is to use a high-quality and freshly sharpened knife when cutting into your next Washington-grown onion.